So Chris Brown brought the house down at the iconic FNB Stadium in South Africa during his unforgettable concert. Okay, one of the standout moments of the night was him flying. Okay, yes, him flying. Look at him over there. Look at him over there. Like, this took the crowd by surprise on Saturday, but on Sunday the crowd was already anticipating. Okay, it was already anticipating that Chris Brown is going to fly. You see, with the internet never forgets, okay? Then the internet said, wait a minute, Makhadzi did this first. Makhadzi did this last year in Venda, and this is the clip. It's not in slow motion. I didn't slow it down. It looks like she got stuck. First of all, whoever had that idea, she shouldn't have been wearing that. For safety reasons, because obviously something got stuck up there. Now she's trying to unmaneuver herself and bring herself down, and then she's still not down. Okay, she's still there, and then now she's got herself loose, and now they bring her slowly down. But at the end of the day, Makhadzi did it first. No matter what anyone says, she did do it first, and now there are memes about her looking like a chick, guys. Wow. Anyway, Gayton Mackenzie honored his offer. He gave out 1,000 tickets from his own pocket to the Chris Brown concert, and now comes the Makhadzi concert. It's coming up this weekend, I think. So I wonder how many tickets he's going to be giving out to the Makhadzi concert. Let me know in the comment section, who do you think is going to do this next? I was thinking EFF. Remember, after Rihanna did the raised stage, and then at the Super Bowl, and then EFF did it at their convention. Now I think they'll do the do you think Julius Malema would fly across? I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I just wanted to share this quick video with you. Recap, okay? Makhadzi versus Chris Brown. Or is it Chris Brown versus Makhadzi? Who did it better? That's it from me. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll definitely catch you on my next upload. Remember to drink responsibly. Don't drink and drive. Enjoy the holiday season. Enjoy the Christmas season. Enjoy time with your family. Enjoy time off. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, okay? And so that more people can see this comparison, okay? Because this is highly hilarious. Chris Brown did it at full speed up ahead, while Makhadzi was